Welcome to WAC Sports Reviews. In this video, we're looking at our own set of batting pads, the WAC Millenniums. These enter in the mid-range set of the WAC batting range. So let me start talking to you about the features of this set of batting pads. Starting off with the aesthetic, it's a pretty minimal look with the Millennium's black and red design, as you can see here. For the construction on it, it's a reverse cane construction. Reverse cane is a slightly more modernized version of your traditional cane construction, wherein the cane in use is low density, which is topped with a lot of foam, so you get the best amounts of protection. But with that extra bit of foam, you get slightly better protection than your traditional cane, which makes these pads highly protective but also highly lightweight, which is a really good thing. Talking about the lightweight aspect of these set of batting pads, they weigh well under 800 grams, which is a really good thing to have because traditionally any half decent set of batting pads with good levels of protection will easily weigh upwards of 850 grams. So you get a really lightweight pad with really good protection. Moving on, at the top, you get full cane over here for slightly better protection along your thigh. And the cap also angles in quite a bit, which fits a lot more snug on your leg and also gives you really good amounts of protection at the thigh itself. Here is a little bit of carbon fiber material over here in this area to keep it nice and minimal, but also give it a very premium look. There's also WAC embossed over here and the Millennium embossing just over here. At the base of the pad, you see the WAC logo embossed in black, which gives this whole pad a very minimal look without adding too much clutter, along with the PU piping at the base of the pad so that the pads don't get scuffed up from here and you get really good life to the set of these batting pads. Heading inside, the material in use is quite premium. As you can see with the base of the foot, it's all leather. For you to have something like that on a mid-range set of batting pads, it's quite impossible as you'll find this material in use on most top-end pads only, like the Greynick Legends or the Newbury Legacies. So having leather on a budget pad is a really good feature because leather is the most durable material to have in this area because your foot rubs against the base of the pad and then that scuffs up very easily. Leather doesn't, so these pads will last you a lot of time. For the padding over here, it's all really good soft high density foam so that you get the best amounts of shock absorption but also really premium feel wrapping around your legs. Over here you get a bunch of this really soft memory foam like padding, which you can see it's nice and supple with additional foam bolstering at the shin so that there's better shock dissipation. For the knee itself, it's a socket with a plastic cup and an inch layer of this Pro Soft foams, which means that you get really good amounts of protection here along with a really soft feel. For the straps, there are these carbon fiber tags at the end of each so that this looks really cool with the carbon fiber red piping, keeping in mind the WAC Millennium color scheme. There's a butterfly over here so that these straps don't break as easily, along with this red padding underneath the buckles so that the buckles don't dig into your skin. For the straps on the inner lining, there is really thick and soft mesh. What this allows is that it doesn't let the straps dig into your skin, but also offers really good ventilation and sweat retention. All up, a really good looking pad for a budget offering you top levels of protection. Definitely want to go for if you're in the market for a mid-range pad. So if you're looking to get this pad, you can walk into one of our stores or get it online.